Welcome to Cloud Code Tips and Tricks, the series that will take your cloud code to the next level. Today's tip is avoid nesting. If you have nested for loops or nested ifs inside those for loops or any kind of nesting in your code, you really should try to rewrite your code in order to avoid this practice. Because nesting makes your code very hard to read and to debug. When you have, for instance, two for loops, one inside the other one, you have multiplied the number of runs that the loop will go through, which will make it much harder to debug as you have much more operations to do, and also much harder to understand what every single loop is doing. So when you make a not nested code, it is easier to understand, easier to maintain, and probably also very faster to run. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so you can help us grow. Also, share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave it on the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you and hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.